Have you ever thought about making your own delicious melomel at home, but felt overwhelmed by all the steps and ingredients? Well, you're not alone. Many aspiring mead makers hit a wall before they even get started. But today, I'm here to make it easy and guide you through the process step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of melomels, which is just a fancy way of saying fruit meads. If you've ever wanted to add some fruity flavor to your mead, stick around, because I'll be breaking it down step by step, from choosing the right honey to adding fruit at the right time. I've got you covered. Let's get started. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mead making tips and techniques. And as a thank you for joining me today, grab my free ebook, Mead Making at Home Easily, using the link in the description or the pinned comment. It's packed with troubleshooting tips and advanced techniques to elevate your mead making skills. Now, let's quickly cover what a melomel is. Simply put, it's any mead that has fruit in it. But did you know there are different types of melomels? Some even have unique names based on tradition or ingredients. The BJCP splits melomels into 5 main categories. Cyser, a mead made with apple cider. This one's a favorite for fall, giving off classic apple pie vibes. Pyment, a mead made with grapes. If you like wine, this is your go-to mead type. Berry mead, a mead made with any type of berry like strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, or raspberries. Stone fruit meads, a mead made with fruits that have pits, like cherries, peaches, or plums. Melomel, a category for any other fruit that doesn't fit into the above types, like melons or even pineapples. Now let's talk about honey. The type of honey you choose sets the base flavor for your melomel. If you're adding a lot of fruit, you don't have to worry as much about the honey type, because the fruit will take over most of the flavor. But if you want a balanced mead where you could taste both the honey and the fruit, you'll need to choose your honey carefully. High-quality wildflower honey is a great place to start because it's mild and blends well with most fruits. Just avoid any honey that has a strong or harsh flavor, like basswood or buckwheat, as that could overpower your fruit. Also remember, honey can vary based on the season and the flowers the bees have access to. So try to use honey from the same batch if possible to keep the flavor consistent. Now, for the fun part, picking and preparing your fruit. The kind of fruit you use can make a big difference in how your mead turns out. Here's some simple guidelines for the most popular fruit choices. Use high-acid grapes for a pyment to balance the sweetness of the honey. For a cyser, go with tart apples that aren't too ripe. These will give your mead a nice, crisp flavor. For berries and stone fruits, around 3 pounds of fruit per gallon of mead is a good starting point. But if your fruit has a strong flavor, like black currants or cherries, you can use less. When prepping your fruit, sort through it and get rid of any bad or moldy pieces. Remove the stems and leaves too, since they can make your mead taste bitter. Wash the fruit and freeze it to help release its juices. Freezing the fruit also helps burst the cell walls, making it easier for the yeast to extract flavor. Here's a little tip. After freezing, you can either use the whole or chopped fruit during primary fermentation. But for secondary fermentation, it's better to puree or juice the fruit to release more flavor. Now, managing acidity or pH. Fruits can sometimes make your mead too acidic, which can cause problems for your yeast. If your pH drops too low, your yeast might stop working, causing a stuck fermentation, and nobody wants that. To keep this from happening, add some potassium carbonate before fermentation starts. This will help keep your pH around 4, which is a good level for your yeast. But always use a pH meter beforehand. Check your pH throughout the fermentation process, especially if you're using acidic fruits like grapes or apples. Adjust as needed to keep your yeast happy and active. Okay, so when should you add your fruit? You have a few options here, and each one will give you different results. Primary fermentation. Add your fruit at the start, and it will ferment along with the honey. This method can give you strong fruit flavors, but it can also make it tricky for your yeast to work if the acidity is high. Secondary fermentation. Add your fruit after primary fermentation is done. This way, you can keep more of the fruit flavor and sweetness. It might take longer to age and mellow out. Be aware that if your fruit has a lot of sugar, you might get another round of fermentation. So keep an eye on it. Adding fruit after your mead is completely done means you get all the sugar and the fresh fruit flavor without fermenting it out. Be careful. Adding raw fruit can introduce bacteria, so sanitize your fruit properly or use sulfites to stabilize your mead. Now, dealing with the fruit cap. When you add fruit during primary fermentation, it will float to the top and form a cap. This cap can trap heat and CO2, even grow mold if not managed correctly. To fix this, use a sanitized tool like a mash paddle to break the cap every day at the start of fermentation. This will release trapped CO2, keep the fruit submerged, and help extract more flavor and color. Breaking the cap also keeps the yeast evenly distributed and helps with better fermentation overall. Another important step is choosing the right yeast. Different strains will give you different flavors and alcohol levels. For Melomels, Lalvin 71B is always a great option because it can reduce acidity, making your mead smoother. If you're using fruit with strong flavors, consider something like QA23. It enhances fruity and floral notes without overpowering the honey. After fermentation, Melomels often benefit from aging for a few months, or even up to a year, depending on the strength of the flavors. This allows the fruit and honey to meld together and create a more balanced mead. Be patient. Aging will make a big difference in the final product. When it's time to bottle, make sure your mead is clear and free of sediment. You can use fining agents like bentonite or cold crash your mead to help settle before bottling. Let's review what we've covered. Pick a mild honey if you want your fruit to shine. Clean, sort, and freeze your fruit before adding it. Keep your pH around 4.0 to avoid a stuck fermentation. When to add fruit? Primary or secondary or post-fermentation, each has its pros and cons. Select the right yeast that matches your desired flavor profile and fermentation needs. Stir the fruit cap during primary fermentation to avoid problems. Allow your melomel to age smoother for a more balanced flavor. Making a good melomel isn't complicated, but it does take some attention to detail. Follow these steps and experiment a little, and you'll soon have your very own fruit mead to enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more mead making tips. And remember, you can grab my free ebook, Mead Making at Home Easily, using the link in the description or the pinned comment. And if you're interested for more mead making tips, check out my other mead making videos here. Cheers to your new mead making adventure, and happy mead making.